Hello and welcome to Winnie's Edu World. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we have very small topics, two topics, LCM and HCF. Very important topics too. Okay. Now when we are doing LCM, let me start it with an example. We are going to find out the LCM of 2 and 3. Basic two numbers I have taken, 2 and 3. The term LCM tells you what? Least common multiple. So you understand we have to find the common multiples, least common multiples of these two numbers, right? So what are the multiples of 2? Tell me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and it will go on. What are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and it will also go on. Now let us find out what are the common multiples of these two numbers. What are those? 6 is here, 6 is here. Any other number? Yeah, going forward even 12 will be common, isn't it? So let us just say 12 is also common, okay, for the time being. So I can see 6 and 12 are common multiples of 2 and 3. But out of these two, which is the least? Oh, look at me, I'm waiting for answer. The least one is 6. So 6 is the LCM of 2 and 3. Clear? Yeah. So what we will do, let us find out the LCM of 2, 5 and which number? Tell me. 2 and 5 is enough, right? Let us find out 2 and 5 first, not to get more confused. So what are the multiples of 2? You can do it yourself and later check with me. That is better. Now you have seen one example, right? So do it yourself. So these are the multiples of 2 and these are the multiples of 5. So which is common? 10 is common. 10 comes in 5 and 10 comes in 2. And before that there is nothing lower than 10. So 10 is the LCM of 2 and 5. Clear? The same way you can do with 3 terms also. Okay. So now there is one more method. This method was you have to write the common multiples. You have to write the multiples of each and every term and then find the common. But suppose you have 2, 4, then what? 5 and 3. Suppose you have these 4 numbers and you have to find the LCM. How will you find it? Every number we can't go and write the multiple, right? So we will follow a ladder method or also called as prime factorization method. Very easy method. Okay, just follow with me. First I will take 2 because I can divide 2 with 2, isn't it? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Can I divide 5? No. So let me write it here. Can I divide 3? No. So I'm going to write it here. Again with 2 because this 2 can be divided, right? And the rest cannot. So I'm going to write them as it is. Now to divide 5 I need to take 5. I am dividing it and making it 1 and for 3 also I will divide with 3. Done deal. My last row everything is 1, right? So now what is the next step? I will multiply 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. These things. Okay, 4 into 15 is how much? 60. So 60 is my LCM. Isn't this an easy method? Much better method, right? So this is how you will find LCM using the prime factorization method. Clear? You saw LCM. Now we are going to discuss about HCF. if we know the full form of this, it helps us a lot to understand what does that stand for. So this is highest common factor. Factor. We know what is a factor? Factor. Highest common factor. So let me just take two numbers, 2 and 3. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. And what are the factors of 3? 1 and 3 with no more factors. So what is the factor of highest common factor of 2 and 3? 1. Okay. Now if I have to find HCF of 3 and 9, or let us take 30 and 9. What are the factors of 30? 1, 2, yes, then 3, 5, 6. See, so many factors are there. Like that it will go on 10 and it will go on. And how about 9? What are the factors of 9? 1 stable it comes, 3 it comes, and then 9 stable. After that, is there any more factor? No. Right? So, which is the common factor? 3 and 3 are common. Correct? So, the highest common factor is 3 for 30 and 9. Easy? You don't have to get confused at all, because when we say LCM, multiple comes there, and when we say HCF, factors comes there. Factors, right? So let us find HCF of 12, 18 and 24. What are the factors of 12? 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 no, 6 yes, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And how about 18? 18, 1, 2, 3, 6. See, all these numbers have that. 9. Then what? That's it. Yeah, it will go on. 18. How about 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. Now you tell me which factor is common. Tell me which factors are common. See, 2 is common. In all of them 2 is there. 3 is also there. 1, 2, 3. Anything else is there? Tell me. 6 is there. 6. Now in these three numbers, 2, 3 and 6, which is the highest common factor? 6. So 6 is the HCF of 12, 18 and 24. Easy. This is the common factor method. You do it one by one. Let us do it by prime factorization method also. Right? 12, 18 and 24. Is there any number with which all these three numbers can be divided? Let us take 2. Yeah. 2 6s, 2 9s and 12s. Okay, fine. Now what? Let us take 3. 3 2s, 3 3s and 3 4s. Now is there anything which is common for all these three? Is there any number which can divide all these three? No, right? No. So we're just stopping here. We are not going to do it further. Like in LCM, we used to continue. Here, we are putting a full stop, this particular step. So how will we find our HCF? 2 into 3, the one which was common for the three numbers. 2 into 3, 6. That's it. Clear? LCM and HCF. Is it clear? Hope LCM and HCF is clear to you. If it is so, please do like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.